But like you said, it's just I watch it and I just feel like there's a lot of noise around things
Mm-hmm.
that
You
aren't
have to do
real,
this.
yes, that don't necessarily hold for every situation.
Mm-hmm.
So I just thought I'd ask your take on that.
I like it. Oh, what else was I going to say? Oh, I have a maintenance tip this week.
Aha.
With all of the power surges, have you been having tons of power surges here?